Alright, fine. I can do this real fast. Sorry I fucked your husband. What the fuck was that, Stolas? That was the sound of a fucking divorce! Hello, Stolas. You are... Oh, so you're used to being the one who crushes others' feelings, hmm? If by crushes others' feelings, you mean end shit before it gets serious, then bingo, because relationships are boring. Oh yes, very boring. So what are you doing here then? Everyone but me is getting your cheap apologies tonight. Well, you certainly have your work cut out for you. Yes? Oh, lucky me!